Hello, welcome back. This is Bubakar Njai. Today we are going to be looking at the back bridge or back bend. So I'm going to be explaining how you can get the back bridge step by step as this. Okay. All right. How you can obtain the back bridge like this. So I'm going to be explaining step by step according to the beginner level. Make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video so that you can understand every step that is discussed in this lesson. So without further ado, I'll just start. But you need to do any sort kind of warm-up. I'm going to take you through those steps so that you'll understand how the warm-up is done. And we are going to pass through certain stages before you are get to use to the back bridging system. Okay. So I'm going to start with little bit waist flexibility method. And you're going to start by flexing your waist. You can do this one several times. Okay. And I'm going to swipe it around like this. So let's swipe it from, let's go anti-clockwise for some time. Then we can turn back to clockwise. Okay. So let's go to clockwise. Let's go more deeper. I'm going to be turning our waist a little bit, twist backward. Okay. Little bit backward again. Little bit backward. Backward again. Backward. Backward. All right. So we can have little bit sort of flexi stretch so that we can change our legs. Okay. So you can come down by bringing down one of your hands to the leg, left hand side to the left side leg, and hold it for some seconds and turn again the right side to the right hand to the right leg, and then you hold it here for some time. After you slightly come down, okay, and you get up again, you're going to swipe it like this. Okay, so back, we lean backward. We're going to throw our hips back, throw the hip back, throw this one back, throw this one back, back, back. Now hold it here for some seconds. Hold this one also for some seconds. Okay, now let's come back. Okay. Now we're going to the stages. And for the stages here, we're going to be looking at the stage 1 of the back bend or back bridge. We're going to be looking at the stage 1 of the back bridge. So we are going to be turning to the right hand side. We're going to repeat the same thing in the left side. So I term here as the stage 1 the waist, where your right hand side will be on the waist, and then from there we now gravitate to the stage 2, whereas your right hand side will be on your lap here. So the final stage is around the back of this leg here. We're going to be moving from stage 1 to stage 3. Make sure you stay tuned with me till the end of this video so that I can show you step by step on all these steps. Okay, Alright, now let's proceed. We're going like, I'm going to start like this for beginners. Maybe you hold your right hand on the waist and one in front. If you want, you can make it a punch. If you want, just straight away like this, and slightly back. Come back to your normal position. Slightly back again. Come back to your normal position. Slightly back and hold it there for some seconds. We're going to count to 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You see that? Now let's keep going. Also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do the same thing in the left side. The same 1. Hold it for some seconds. Alright. And we can count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now let's go up and down again. Up, down, up, come back. Let's say back, come back, back, come back. So now let's move to stage 2. That is a little bit complicated, and we're going to place our right hand here, and then we lean a little bit backward. Now let's go. We're going to count to 5. As I'm holding here, I'm going to count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's come back, and then we go 5 times, and then make our nerve so flexible. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do the same in the left side. Wait for some seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we go 5 times, and then we try to make those nerves also be flexible. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, step 1 and 2 are completed. Now the most complicated part is step 3. Now I will walk you throughout step by step on how to achieve this, and this is the most difficult and critical part. So this is where most people fail, and I'm going to tell you what are the techniques. So make sure you bend down to the right leg. You bend right. Place your hand here first. Slightly go to the elbow side backward, and slightly go back to the leg. Okay. Once you are here, you can keep it for some seconds. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Let me come back. Go there 5 times. Okay. 1, little bit backward. 2, 3, 4, 5. If you wish, you can hold it here for some seconds also, so that your spine here can be more flexible. The more you stay like this, the more the flexibility also continues. So let's go back to the left side, and we are going to be doing the same thing there. Place it here, slightly go down. Okay, stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going backward. 1, 2, 3 after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this time around, we are going straight and hold this one with our 2 hands. So let's try that. I'm going slightly backward, hold here, and hold back here. Now look back. I'm going to look at the back of you, and let's stay here. Let's count it out of 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you're here. We'll go backward. This hand will go front, and this one also follows. As you can see. Now let's count. If you want, you can walk front and come back. Okay. Now let's count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at the two of your fingers, middle of your fingers. 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Say front, come back, front, come back, come back. Move it, and come back to your normal position, and you can release the pain. Release the pain. Release the pain. Come back. Okay. So please, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for the update of my next videos. Next time, we're going to be looking at the middle splitting and the front splitting. So please, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss that class. Thank you very much.